110 Julia. We don't have number 48 either. The next girl is number 49, Shushmita Singha. Number 50, Vijaya A. Number 51, Simran Jha. Number 68, Dipna Patel. Number 60. Our next round of girls is from 61 to 70 and 116, 117 and 118 are international.
This is the short list. Yeah, there are about 25 girls. Yeah.
Can we tell them like things like
Yeah, I think that let them come.
इसकी मैं फिर वेट फॉर वीडियो स्टिल हो गया आपको दो मैं वेट मैं सेंटर लेगा
बिल्कुल
फोन नीचे लो
नीचे रखो यार।
प्लीज आइए मैं लुक अप
सुनील, आपको आपके मॉडलिंग डेज याद आ गए? आप यहाँ पे जज करने आई और
एब्सोल्युटली इनफैक्ट आपने बिल्कुल मेरे दिल की बात कह दी। आई रिमेंबर जब मैं मॉडलिंग करती थी तो मैंने भी एक ऐसा ही फैशन वीक के लिए ऑडिशन दिया था एंड इवेंचुअली मैं सेलेक्ट हुई थी। तो आज जब मैं वहाँ पर जजेस की जगह पर बैठी थी तो आई कुड फील कि मॉडल्स के दिल में अभी क्या चल रहा होगा एंड हाउ हैप्पी दे मस्ट बी। जितनी भी मॉडल सेलेक्ट हुई हैं उनको कितनी खुशी हो रही होगी। आई कैन टोटली रिलेट टू एवरीथिंग दैट दे वर गोइंग थ्रू। सो इट वाज अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस।
आपने सिलेक्ट किया तो आपकी कोई फेवरेट?
I think all the models, जितनी भी models select किए हैं, they all have something that they're going to bring to the ramp and इसी reason से हमने उन्हें select किया है। Most important thing जो एक ramp model में होनी चाहिए वो होती है confidence, जो इन सभी लड़कियों में है। So I think it's great. Well, the most important thing for us was the height, because the height and the body type, because that is something very important. Because when a designer designs the clothes, it's very important for the model to be tall enough and have a good posture and a good body to be able to carry it off, and confidence, of course.
सुनील, एक इंटरव्यू में आपने कहा था कि you want a perfect life partner like Saif Ali Khan, and now you're working with that perfect actor.
I'm not.
What do you have to say about that?
I am not actually commenting on anything about work here right now because I'm here to here for Lakme Fashion Week. But I just would like to second it again that yes, I think Saif is a great guy and a very good actor. I'm a fan of his. Yeah.
As Lakme is the most prestigious fashion show in India, so what kind of platforms do you think the aspiring models get from here?
I think it's great because Lakme Fashion Week is one of the best fashion weeks that we have in the country, and it's very, very prestigious for any model to be able to walk for Lakme Fashion Week. And I think all the models who have got this opportunity are lucky, and they're going to go places. Actually, all the designers that are selected by Lakme to showcase their stuff are all very, very talented. So the one part of it that I really look forward to is the Gen X designers, which are the new ones, because it's always nice to see what the new designers have and what they have to offer. Yeah. Well, if I'm here, then I'll meet you guys.
What happening in preparation of what's there in the pipeline?
There's a couple of things, but like I said, I can't talk about work here right now. We're here for Lakme Fashion Week, and let's wish them all the best. नहीं, मैं हमेशा कितनी जल्दी मिलती हूँ. No, it's that is something that's a question that Owais can answer, Owais Hussain. So I think you should ask him. It was fantastic. They're a great family, great team, and always fun to work with people who are artistic. Judging बहुत tough है because all the girls are so good that it's very, very difficult to be able to select that only a few of them. बहुत eliminate करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है.
Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you guys.
If we talk about fashion, we've heard that Priyanka Chopra has changed her loyalties from Manish Malhotra to you. You're designing her for Zanjeer. So can you tell us something about, because it's based on 70s and 80s era. So any new collection we would see in the film or?
Firstly, I don't think whether it's celebrity or clients change loyalties where designers are concerned. It's only natural that you want to pick and choose clothes from every different kind of looks. I don't think whether it's a celebrity or a film star or a Bollywood star, it's not important to be stuck to one person. It's very important to have diverse look, because today it's about change and evolving as a better person or a better style. To evolve as to have a better style, it's important to experiment with everyone. So for Zanjeer, actually, it was she was playing a role of an NRI, and Apurva Lakhia thought that I would be the perfect choice, and so did Priyanka. Since I happen to be living between India and abroad, so they brought me in because they felt I would do justice to that look. You will see a very sophisticated, classy Priyanka, who evolves into being a little girl, kind of a girly look, and then later turns a little bit more Indian. So it's the character was designed according to the film, the character that she plays in the film, and it had lot less to do with what I felt, but it was more to do with the character. And to do justice to the character, I did not think I'm designing for Priyanka. I thought I'm designing for the character Mala. So yes, it was fun experience, and I'm looking forward to a lot more movies.
Did you take any reference from the earlier?
No, it's actually it's the same Zanjeer, the same genre of the original Zanjeer, but at the same time it's very different. It's based on today's day and age. So the clothes are according to what is in fashion. In fact, the cue I had was that the movie is going to release in 2013. So the clothes had to be according to 2013 trend. In fact, what is in for spring summer 2013, that is the kind of trends that we have shown for both Priyanka and Mahi Gill in the film.
Yeah, the iconic role of Mona. So how different would
Yeah.
it be from
Okay.
Bindu ji that she played in Zanjeer and
Yeah,
in the
you know, the role of Mona was very exciting for me because Mahi has not been exposed to that kind of look. She's been shown in a very Indian way.
Can we start it from
Yeah, sure. Mona Darling in Zanjeer, the original Zanjeer was an iconic role, and in this new Zanjeer, again, Mahi's role is going to be very interesting. She's going to be seen in a completely new, avatar that nobody has seen her before because she's been doing a lot of these kind of simple Indian roles. So actually designing for her role in Zanjeer was very exciting for me. I have given her an extremely diva-licious look, very sophisticated, but of course keeping in mind that she's playing the gangster's mold, so she's very sexy, very sensuous, but very much how you would see in today's day and age, so I think she's going to be a big surprise element in the film. One second.
Being the most prestigious fashion show of India,
Well, Lakme Fashion Week is one of the biggest international shows, not only in India but world over, and it definitely provides a huge platform for models in India. For the simple reason, as I said, these shows go online and are watched by millions of viewers, millions of people online, not only Indians but all international agencies, modeling agencies, international buying houses. This is a great platform to be recognized as, and it is a privilege for the models to be at this show. It is definitely on the lines of any international show, so it's a great platform.
so can we see your collection this time?
Yes, I will be showcasing my collection. It's going to be a very exciting collection. Since I missed the last season, I am making sure that this collection is something that people are really like a mainstream look.
Can you tell us something more about
Yeah, sure. The collection is called Lust. It is going to be based on the fact that how lustful the collection is in terms of, it's like the wish list. It's a resort wear that I am showcasing. But the theme of the collection is kind of sensuous, wearable, and very much according to the trends of 2013 and 14. The prints are actually traditional kind of prints put in a very modern form. It is going to be a typical Priya Kataria Puri signature line, but with a lot of interesting twists in it.
Do you have anything in the mind for calling to be there as a showstopper? I hear talking about
Yes, actually, for showstoppers, I want to do something different and a little, unusual. So I'm thinking of having actually a few male celebrities and actors who would, I think, come on the list of being lustful. So I want to kind of change things around. I don't want people to come and expect, the show to be how they expect it, but to be something different and unique. So I'm thinking, since we already have gorgeous 16 models, it would be great to have male celebrity who India lusts for in different fields of their lives, musicians, actors, artists, painters. I think it'll be interesting, and I do plan to show them in, I have never done menswear, but I will be designing menswear for these few celebrities, maybe 6, 7 or whatever. So I think that will be something new and different, which people are not expecting me to do. So.